behind me are other models of our tractors. Okay, the engine capacity of this one is 35 horsepower, and this one is the same. The engine capacity is 35 horsepower. So our tractors are very cheap. The prices are very affordable. Okay, it's very cheap, and so the fuel consumption or the diesel consumption is also very low. So when you call us, we will give you the best price. And then also, the quality of the tractor is very high. And aside that, we have spare parts available in Ghana. You can find our tractor spare parts in Ghana, Kumasi, Tamale, and Accra. And then, aside that, we can also send spare parts to you. And now, let me show you another one. So as you can see, this one is corn harvester. So with this machine, it comes with 35 or 25 horsepower tractor. So this tractor is carrying this harvester. So with this particular place harvests the corn, and then it will pull it through this conveyor and then to the container. And then when it enters the container, then that is called a shelling. So when you are buying from us, we give you the best price.